Hello and happy Monday. I just had my lunch. I had some cucumber and peppers with some toast with the last of my guacamole and then the salsa on top. It's so good. That combination with the olive bread is so good. Anyway, I just have to show you guys where Fran is because it's really cute. Hello? Are you hiding under the blankie? She's so cute with her little paws hanging out. Oh my god. She's so funny. Hey y'all, and happy Tuesday. I've had a really busy day. I've just been like non-stop work and doing stuff around the house. I've got a minute to check in. I lost weight again since yesterday. I've been losing weight every day for just under a week now, like maybe 5 days, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, and it's like not huge amounts every day. It's like somewhere between half a pound and a pound, but still it seems like a lot in a short period of time, which is just wild. I still don't have as big an appetite as I have had in the past. I'm sorry if you can hear the air conditioner in the background, by the way, but it's summer. It is what it is. So I had pasta for dinner last night, and I made what would have been just a little more than a normal serving for me previously, and I gave myself a smaller serving of it, even on top of that. I couldn't eat it. I couldn't eat the whole thing. I ate like maybe 3/4 of it. I couldn't even eat all of the small serving, which is kind of weird to me that my body is just not gobbling stuff up. I used to just like be someone that could pound stuff down, and I just can't. So I don't know. I think maybe there is a connection to the birth control. It's still only a couple days into the official test, as I should have started taking it on Sunday. So I'm only a couple days in, but so far it's feeling like that must have really been affecting my appetite. I don't know. Obviously, I'm going to go back on it at some point to see if it is that, or if I've just hit a point in life where my appetite just happened to decrease at the same time I was on my period. The whole thing's kind of weird. Yeah. That's it. That's all I've got for you right now. We're up at the Rotunda because we had to get some groceries for Mom's for the ocean. Things we can't get down there. And we're gonna grab some food and break our own rules again. Getting some food truck food. But once again, Austin did say, if it's from the farmer's market, it doesn't count. We're gonna get some food from Hugh. Okay, groceries are away. Here is the crab pretzel. That looks amazing. And then my sandwich fell apart, but that still looks really good. Hello and happy Wednesday. I ordered this from Prime Day, the little retainer cleaner thing, and I'm pleased as a peach that it's working. At least I think it's working. I forgot to get the solution for it, so I'm just testing it out with water right now, but hopefully it works out well. Hello and happy Thursday. Finished my packing. My suitcase is at the top of the stairs. Changing out my bug thing, my little fly catcher, because it actually works, which I'm grateful for, but it is disgusting when it's all full. Get this to sit? No. Ugh, gross. We are going to go to the beach today, probably sometime midday. I feel like I can get a little better view. Try and avoid some traffic. This is the refill kit, by the way. Just pull the sticker off. Stick it in there. Done. Plug it back in. Anyway, I did end up using my new travel case that I got in the KND box, and that worked out really perfectly because I end up using a lot of my bags for various sunscreens. I like to take all the sunscreen with us when we travel. Just take it all, And if we use it, fine. If we don't, bring it back home. It's no big deal. I just would rather be prepared. Anyway, so I end up using a lot of my cases for other stuff. So it was nice to have another case to throw stuff in. I was actually able to put my makeup in there too, because I don't take very much makeup anyway. So I don't have to worry about like a whole little makeup case or anything. It's nice. I'm giving it a try. So that's fun. I'm gonna tuck these away. Now I'm contemplating, do I take my own tequila or do I buy like a mini bottle down there? Because I'm going to try out the cocktail kit, the travel cocktail kit as well. Oh my god, look at that precious baby. Look at her being a baby. She's so cute. I don't know if I have just like a plain tequila. I know I have añejo. What else? Maybe I don't have añejo? Maybe I only have añejo. Yeah, that's añejo. I thought I had a reposado, but maybe I don't. What is this? Oh, yeah. Maybe I'll take that. There's not that much in there anyway. Maybe I'll just take it instead of having to buy some. Save a little money. I think I'll do that. I just filled my vitamin container. Trying to think if there's anything else I could do before I sit down and just enjoy my coffee, because we can't pack food until it's time to leave anyway. I think I can just enjoy my coffee. I'm gonna do that. I think somebody knows that we're leaving today, because they are literally up my butt being a baby. Aren't you? Are you being mama's baby? You my baby? Yeah. She hates when we leave. So we got a delivery and one of my Prime Day purchases came and I already loaded it up with stuff. So let me show you guys. Okay, so unsnap the buttons. Glad they're secure. It's a glasses holder. So I've got my actual glasses and 2 pairs of sunglasses that I'm taking besides these to the beach. I have wanted one of these for so long. This bigger pair is a little finicky, but they all fit in there just fine. And then it just holds all the glasses. I love this. I love having glasses to match my outfit. So this is so nice to have, and I'm gonna love this one for Vegas. I'm gonna just load it up. Different glasses every damn day. So excited. We're in the car. We're heading to Ocean City now. And I ate way too much at lunch because I always try to have a full stomach when we get in the car because I can get so car sick and I'm hungry, but I ate too much and now I feel sick anyway, but not nauseous sick, just sore tummy sick, so that's good. But it was good. I had some roast cauliflower and put some pesto on top. That was yummy. And then I had just a little bit of Austin's Just Egg, so I could have a little protein, but it was tasty. I just ate too much of it. My stomach must have shrunk, or I don't know, my hunger cues are skewed up. I'm still trying to figure it all out. Yeah, weird. Just picked up a watermelon and some corn at this little market, and I don't know where I'm gonna put this in the car. Uh-oh. Okay. We're like 45 minutes from the beach now, I think. We're out at Bluefish, and I've got a Mai Tai, and it's so pretty. Matching my nails, kind of, but not really. So I've got the tofu, but with the spicy Szechuan sauce instead of the General Tso's sauce. So it's spicier. We're at the pool. Got this bathing suit with all the fruit and stuff from J. Crew factory from last year, which is so cute. Oh. We're gonna go swimming. Good morning, happy Friday. I'm off to get bagels, schmiggles bagels. That's why the phone is this way, because that's the way the holder holds it. Anyway, I've got my cute little bikini on, same print as the bathing suit yesterday. I couldn't decide, so I kept them both. And I've got the matching skirt, which is super cute. I'll do outfit either on Instagram or sometime in this video, but let's go get bagels. Bagels acquired. Also got myself an orange juice because I'm just kind of craving one. We're heading back to the condo. Got my bagel done up the way I always like. We've got the Kite Hill chive cream cheese and olives. These ones have garlic in them, which is so yummy. Got my orange juice, my coffee, some water, the beverage trifecta. We're good to go. We're at the pool. It's such a nice day. The water is really nice too. I came up from the pool. Am I a little red? Or is that a shadow? Oh, it's a shadow. Came up from the pool, but I didn't shower or anything, so I think we might go back down to the pool later. Just sitting outside. I ate the other half of my bagel. I only had half my bagel for breakfast because I couldn't eat more than that. Well, it was maybe a little more than half. It was like 5/8. So I have the other half and a few strawberries. And I'm having an iced coffee. And I think I'm about to read a little more of this book. I have had zero desire to read this summer, and I'm usually a big spring and summer reader, and I've just really not been about it this year. I really missed a big old piece of hair. Oh well. But I am partway through Spare that I started months and months ago. I just haven't been in the mood to read. I don't know why. But I'm gonna read a little more of this and relax and enjoy this gorgeous weather. It was supposed to storm today and it's held off so far, so I'm gonna enjoy that and have my coffee. We're working on dinner. I've got a couple yellow squash and a zucchini going for layers in lasagna. Austin has made his Beyond Meat meat sauce. He's gonna put that in theirs. I just use regular sauce in mine because I don't like Beyond Meat. So I'll make a big one for him and the old ladies, and then I'll just get a little one for me. And yeah, we got water boiling for the lasagna noodles. We've counted them out, measured how many we think we'll need. So that's what we're into right now. Our lasagna is done. Here's my veggie one. Here's the Beyond Meat one. Hello and happy Saturday. We're all packed up and heading to the beach. We're gonna do the beach for a few hours today, I think. Hopefully it doesn't storm. There is one suspicious looking cloud, but I think it's supposed to be a nice day. So, I match my little jacket, overall, coverall thing. My nails do. Austin's got his new shirt on, and we're good to go. We're at the beach. We've been in the water a couple times, as I'm sure you can tell from my crazy hair. Austin's got some french fries, and I have the most delicious bucket of Tito's passion fruit crush. So good. Oh my gosh. It's delicious. The water feels good. It's a little rough for me though, not being much of a swimmer. We just reapplied our sunscreen, and I have to tell you guys, if you're coming to Ocean City, Maryland, you have to station up at Coconuts and order from the waitresses. They said it's been a tough year, so come support them. Hello and happy Sunday. I don't think I've vlogged at all today, but it is monsooning right now. We did swim a little earlier, but now it is really storming. So I know I haven't updated like at all today. I forgot. But I wanted to let you guys know, because I won't be putting these in my empties video because I'm just throwing them out now. We got a 2-pack of the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Coconut Clear Spray. Bought the 2-pack on Amazon. Neither of the caps work. Like literally, we were pushing down with full might on these caps in the unlocked position, and they just don't work. So I've already gotten my refund from Amazon. These are broken somehow. I'm guessing it's probably a systemic issue with all of them, because both of them in our 2-pack have the same issue with the cap. So be careful buying Alba Botanica sprays this season, because these are not working.